Are you ready to take your vlogging game to the next level? Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, selecting the right camera can significantly impact the quality and engagement of your videos. With countless options on the market, it can be overwhelming to navigate through features, specifications, and prices. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the best cameras for vlogging, highlighting key features such as video quality, portability, and ease of use. Get ready to find the perfect companion for your creative journey, inspiring your audience and elevating your vlogs to new heights. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the Sony Alpha 6700 Interchangeable Lens Camera. The Sony Alpha 6700 is an exceptional camera that beautifully balances advanced features with user-friendliness, making it ideal for both aspiring videographers and seasoned professionals like you. If you're passionate about enhancing your video content, this camera is worth considering for its remarkable capabilities at a competitive price. One of the most exciting aspects of the Alpha 6700 is its ability to record stunning 4K video at up to 120 frames per second. While there is a noticeable crop at this frame rate, the opportunity to create immersive, high frame rate footage can truly elevate your projects. If you often shoot handheld, you'll appreciate the camera's in-body image stabilization, which helps ensure your shots remain smooth and steady, freeing you from the constraints of additional gear. For those of you who delve into editing, the internal 10-bit 422 recording will be particularly beneficial. This feature provides the flexibility you need in post-production, empowering you to refine your footage for a polished professional finish. In summary, the Sony Alpha 6700 is not just a versatile camera, it's a reliable partner that encourages you to explore your videography potential. Whether you're working on personal projects or client assignments, this camera is designed to deliver quality and ease of use, allowing you to focus on what you love most, capturing stunning visuals. At number 4, GoPro Hero 12 Black Action Camera. Are you looking to elevate your vlogging game? The GoPro Hero 12 Black is arguably the ultimate action camera for capturing all your thrilling stunts and adventures. Think about transforming your content with the optional Max Lens Mod 2, which offers an impressive 177-degree field of view. This feature not only enhances your footage, but also adds a more dramatic touch, making your videos truly stand out from the crowd. One of the most exciting upgrades with the Hero 12 is its extended recording capabilities. It managed to record for up to 80 minutes, not consecutively, on a single charge while shooting in 4K at 60 frames per second. This means you can fully immerse yourself in the moment without the constant worry about your battery dying mid-adventure. The improved battery life is thanks to a redesigned power management system that optimizes performance while streamlining features like GPS support. This means you can spend more time exploring and capturing incredible footage, whether you're shredding down mountains or diving into the ocean. In essence, the GoPro Hero 12 Black is not just a camera, it's a gateway to chronicling your adventures in stunning detail. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, this camera is designed to make your experiences more vivid and memorable. So gear up, hit record, and let your adventures unfold. You're about to create content that Number 3, we have the DJI Pocket 2 4K camera. If you're looking for a versatile solution for your vlogging needs, the DJI Pocket 2 might be exactly what you need. Unlike interchangeable lens models that offer flexibility, the Pocket 2 presents a unique all-in-one tool designed specifically for content creators like you. This compact powerhouse features a built-in 3-axis stabilized gimbal, allowing you to shoot remarkably smooth handheld footage without the hefty price tag of external stabilizers or additional gimbals. One of the most appealing aspects of the DJI Pocket 2 is its portability. It fits easily in your back pocket, making it incredibly convenient for on-the-go shooting. Whether you're capturing spontaneous moments or documenting your adventures, its lightweight design enables you to take it anywhere, ensuring you never miss an opportunity for great content. Additionally, the user-friendly interface and smart features provide you with the ability to level up your vlogs effortlessly. With its high-quality image and video capabilities, you can focus on your story and creativity rather than getting bogged down by complex setups or bulky equipment. As you navigate the world of vlogging, consider the DJI Pocket 2 as a valuable addition to your toolkit. Its combination of affordability, quality, and convenience makes it an ideal choice for both beginners and seasoned creators alike. You deserve tools that support your vision without complicating your workflow, and the Pocket 2 does just that. At number 2, Canon EOS R10 Mirrorless Vlogging Camera. The Canon EOS R10 is a fantastic entry-level choice that won't strain your budget. Tailored for beginners, this camera may lack some advanced features, such as internal recording options and in-body image stabilization, but it delivers exceptional performance for capturing breathtaking visuals. When it comes to video, the R10 truly shines. You can record high-quality 4K footage at up to 60 frames per second, although it's important to note that there will be a crop factor. This design ensures you achieve sharp and detailed images, making it perfect for a wide range of projects, whether you're vlogging, shooting short films, or simply documenting your adventures. Plus, with the option for slow-motion recording in 1080 pixel, you can enhance your content with dynamic sequences that capture attention. If you're not yet ready to tackle the intricacies of log profiles or extensive color grading, the Canon EOS R10 is a perfect fit. Its user-friendly interface and lightweight design make it an excellent companion for your photography and videography journey. With the Canon EOS R10, you can confidently explore your creativity without feeling overwhelmed. It's a practical choice that allows you to maintain high quality while staying within your budget. Embrace your passion for storytelling, and let this versatile camera help you capture the moments and memories that matter most. And finally, the number 1 of our list, Sony Alpha ZV-E1, Mirrorless Vlog Camera. When it comes to YouTube vlogging, the Sony ZV-E1 stands out as a premier choice, especially if budget isn't a concern for you. As Sony's first full-frame vlogging camera, it features a 12-megapixel full-frame sensor that excels in low-light environments, perfect for those moments when natural lighting isn't at its best. If you strive to capture high-quality visuals, the ZV-E1 supports recording at an impressive 120 frames per second in 4K, coupled with internal 10-bit 422 capture. This means your content will not only look stunning but also remain true to life. For many creators, seamless autofocus is essential, and the ZV-E1 delivers on that front with a remarkably effective system. While it doesn't include a traditional viewfinder, it offers a built-in directional microphone that ensures crystal-clear audio quality, an essential feature for engaging your audience. The camera's fully articulated screen allows for easy self-monitoring, so you can stay in frame and perfectly positioned while on the go. Additionally, the in-body image stabilization helps minimize camera shake, giving you the freedom to capture immersive and dynamic shots without worrying about blurriness. If you're looking to elevate your vlogging experience and create content that resonates, the Sony ZV-E1 might just be the investment you need to bring your creative vision to life. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which camera for vlogging you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.